Hey guys, welcome back. As I show you what my wash day look like. This is me. My hair is overdue and I'm ready for wash. Just feeling the hair and doing a gentle detangling. I like to go soft first so that my hair can handle the whole process. So I'm just trying to detangle with my finger. This process is called the finger detangling. So next, I'm just going in with water, making sure my hair is fully wet before anything else. This step is actually really important because it helps soften the hair and make everything easier to work with. If your hair isn't properly wet, your shampoo won't spread well and you might end up using more products than you even need. So I take my time here to let the water really sit in. So next, I go in with my shampoo. My shampoo is made up of clove and rosemary. It is a clove and rosemary shampoo. It is DIY anyways. So I focus mainly on my scalp because that is where all the buildup is. Gentle massaging it in. No need of scratching or harsh massaging. Just allow the shampoos to do its work. Either you massage gently or harshly. It is not your massage that will do the work, it is the shampoo. So I just massage gently and allow the shampoo do its job. I just combing through while the shampoo is still in. It helps spread the product evenly and make it easier to detangle. Now I'm just rinsing out, making sure all the shampoo is completely washed off and my scalp feel clean. Yeah, I'm just drying the hair so I can apply my deep conditioner here. Next, I'm applying my Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. Deep conditioning is really important on wash days because it helps restore moisture, strengthens the hair and keep it soft and manageable. What is a wash day without a deep conditioner? And that's my Mega Growth right there. I like Mega Growth because it really melts into my hair. It makes detangling easier and it leaves my hair feeling stronger and smoother after rinsing. If you have a strong or a stubborn hair or you are keeping a virgin hair, you know how it can be, and you are not using Mega Growth Deep Conditioner, you are sleeping on something good. Incorporate a deep conditioner into your wash days and you will thank me later. And during this deep conditioner, you don't just rub or apply it like a leave-in conditioner. You have to do it part by part so that every session can have a juice of it, so that it can penetrate into your hair very well. You don't just rub it. No, you cut a little part of your hair, apply it so it penetrates. Nobody taught me this part, that as a natural girl that is trying to grow a natural hair, I have to become a braid or twist warrior where I have to braid every wash day. Now I'm applying the deep conditioner and sectioning my hair into twist. I like to twist it because it helps the product penetrate each part of my hair properly instead of just sitting on top of the hair. It also keeps my hair stretched and detangled. It does not tangle back up while I'm trying to treat it. This is why I like to twist, so that every strand gets the moisture and care it needs. This is the last part of the twist and I think we are done with the twisting. You see the way it was easy for me to comb. When I started this wash day, I could not comb my hair properly. I was struggling. Now I'm covering my hair with a black nylon. You can use shower cap. I lost my shower cap, so I'm just using this for today. So this is important because it traps heat and help the deep conditioner really work into the hair. It also prevents moisture from escaping, so your hair stays hydrated and gets softer while it sits. So basically, The reason for the shower cap is to what? Help the treatment penetrate so that you get what? A better result. And this is it after rinsing. I did the LCO routine after rinsing and I was looking like this, but that will be on my next video. Thanks for watching.